about some ethical products. So most of the people who are doctors here, they already know these products. So even we have very good results, because since 2 to 3 months we are giving to the patients, we are prescribing these medicines to patients, and we are getting very good reviews from the patients. Patients are healing very nicely. First, we will start with Arshasuda. Arshasuda, by the name only, most of the whoever are doctors here, they might be knowing. Arsha means piles or anorectal. Here, we will not consider it only as piles or hemorrhoids, but we can consider here as any of the anorectal diseases. Anorectal diseases consist of hemorrhoids, fissure, fistula, sinuses to some extent, not totally. We can cure post-surgical sinuses. We can take care of, or we can give medicines in case of post-surgical cases in sinuses. Even perianal abscesses we can treat by Arshasuda. So Arshasuda contains here Surana, Nakesha, Damsa, Gugula, Haritaki, Dhanyaka, Hingu, Nimba, Jirak, Trikatu, Ajmodam. Actually, in Ayurveda, we call these as Deepan Pachan Dravyas. Deepan Pachan Dravyas means these medicines, these herbs which Arshasuda contains. These actually, all these ingredients help to digest the food well, and properly whatever food is digested, it helps also for the absorption of that food. So Arshasuda helps in digestion, because most of the people are having indigestion problem. Most of the people actually, 80% of the people, they don't even know that they are going through constipation, are suffering constipation. But even who are suffering from constipation also can have Arshasuda. Not only the people who are having anorectal diseases. Only the people who are having constipation or unsatisfactory motion, they can also take Arshasuda. Arshasuda gel. We are also having Arshasuda gel. As most of the doctors, they know that hemorrhoids or anorectal diseases are extremely painful. So the people can't sit, can't do their routine work properly. So here we are also introducing Arshasuda gel. Arshasuda gel helps in curing the pain, healing the pain of anorectal diseases. This contains aloe vera, nirgundi, carbapol or water, Lajaru, and Lajaru is Tashminot plant, and Yashasada Bhasma, and Camphor Maca. So these helps to healing the pain of the hemorrhoids or fissures, or even perianal abscess. It heals the perianal abscess too. So Ashma Bhedak, Ashma, yeah, or Ashmari is said to the stones, the calculi which are found in the kidneys. These are called as Ashmari or Ashma. Okay, so Ashma Bhedak means you can understand. Ashma Bhedak is Ashmari Bhedak means kidney. Here stones or calculus we say for the kidney stones. Okay, so to heal kidney stone, here we have introduced Ashma Bhedak tablet and liquid as well. So both we have to give to the patients. Not only one we can consider to be the patient. If the calculi is very small, in that case you can give either Ashma Bhedak tablet or liquid. Doctor can decide on themselves. And if the calculi is larger, like if it is larger than 12 mm, then you definitely have to give both. It will definitely break down the calculi, and then it will pass out through the urine. So here we have Ashma Bhedak tablet and liquid as well. Ashma Bhedak tablet consists of Pashana Bheda, Apamarga, Gorak Mundi, Gokshur, Shunti, Haritaki, Punarnava, Guduche and Dhanya. Okay, this helps in not only it helps in the renal calculi or urinary calculi, it also helps in oliguria, the one who passes very less urine, or anuria, the one who cannot is unable to pass the urine, or even in hematuria, burning micturition, related to renal calculi, as well as which is not related to renal calculi. Sometimes it is prostatic anuria, or enlarged prostatic hematuria or burning micturition. In that case also Ashma Bhedak helps. Okay, so now we'll go to the Ashma Bhedak liquid and its content. Ashma Bhedak liquid contains Gokshur, Pashan Bhed, Gorak Mundi, Apamarga, Varuni, Shunti, aloe vera, Guduchi, Punarva, Shigru. So even this helps in same things. it is diuretic. So in oligouria or anuria also you can recommend this. Digisuda. Actually, Digisuda is also in two forms, in tablet form and liquid form. By the name only, you might have understood that it is for the digestion of food. So definitely, it again contains Deepan Pachandravya like Shankha Bhasma, Kalanagmak, Trifala. Trifala, actually, it is written here Shunti differently, but it Shunti, Trifala, Nimbusal, Jeera, and Hingu. Okay, so it definitely helps in digestion of the food, but it also improves the appetite because digestion is secondary part. First, you should have the appetite, good appetite. If the appetite is good, then only the person will feel to eat. You should have the desire to eat. If you don't have desire to eat, then what is the use of taking digestive? So definitely, it will first improve your appetite. It is also useful in anorexia, the one who don't wish to eat or don't have the desire for food will also have the desire for to have a food by digestive tablet and liquid. The digestive liquid contains here shunti, trifala, nimbusal, maricha, jeera, kalanamak, and pipali and sonmukhi. Both are used for the digestion of food. You can also give digisuda in case of constipation, and even the one who is having bloating of the abdomen, distension of abdomen, having gases, feeling gases in the abdomen, or even like pricking pain in the chest due to hyperacidity. In that case also you can recommend digisuda to them. B purifier. Actually, B purifier, we also say it as a blood purifier. Now, blood purifier means most probably we use in case of skin diseases. It is very helpful in case of any kind of skin diseases. It consists of mangishta. Actually, we consider mangishta as the best product for the skin disorder or blood purifier. Okay, it is the best product in case of blood purification. So here, B purifier consists of Manjishta, Nimbatwak, that is Neem Twak, and Haridra, Chitrayata, Amruta, that is Guduchi again, Patola, Trifala, Aloe Vera, Sariva, Haridra, Arvagada, sorry, it's Ashwagandha and Stevia. So this all helps. This is very bitter in taste. So people actually complain that it is bitter in taste, but it is really good. It is a saying or it is a proverb in a proverb that the medicine, if it is bitter, then only it is good. So definitely it is bitter, but it is really good, and it has given tremendous good result in case of the skin diseases like eczema. Even it is very helpful in case of psoriasis or acne in sorry, in the puberty age, where the people complain, where the people in puberty, they complain for the acne vulgaris, nodular cyst also over the face. In that case also, this is very helpful. It heals the acne very well and it gives you good complexion. Leaf liquid. Here, a leaf liquid, it consists of bhumamlaki. The whoever the doctors or who belong to Ayurveda, they know very well Bhumamlaki is best for the jaundice. It's the best blood purifier, and it's a best thing which improves the hemoglobin, which increases the hemoglobin in the blood. So this leaf consists of Bhumamlaki. It consists of Sharapunka, Dravi, aloe vera, Punarnava, Arjuna, Amruta, that is Guruchi, Amlavetas, Bringaraj, Trifala, Katuki, Kalameka. So all these leads to improve the liver enzymes. Actually, it helps to improve the liver enzymes. We can see in case of jaundice where there are deranged LFTs or deranged bilirubin, or in case of where the SGOT and SGPT are deranged. In that case, you can recommend leaf to the patients. In case of fatty liver, in case of even liver cirrhosis, you can recommend leaf syrup. Even in case of indigestion also, you can recommend leaf syrup. Leaf syrup, it helps in the blood purification as well as to improve the hemoglobin level, as well as it reduces the bilirubin in case of hepatitis or jaundice. Okay, next we will see Pito Sudha. Actually, Pito Sudha consists of Trifala and Trifala, Jeera, Hingu, Guduchi, Ajmoda, Haridra, Yashti Madhu, and Saindava. This helps in in case of hyperacidity. Actually, we also have avipathikar churanavati. Most of the doctors who are present in this session, they know who are Ayurvedic doctors, that avipathikar churanavati is best in case of pitta in hyperacidity. But along with that, we have avipathikar churanavati. Along with that, we also have pito sudha. Actually, pito sudha also helps in the throat irritation, which when the people are having actually, due to hectic schedule, people don't eat on the time. They don't eat on the time. Due to that, they are having acidity issues, hyperacidity issues. In hyperacidity, where the people complain that they are having soreness in the throat, in the mouth, in that case, this pito sudha reduces that soreness and that bad taste in the mouth. It also reduces the belching. The people who are complaining too much belching or too much burping whole day, it reduces that complaints. It also reduces the nausea, vomiting like symptoms, uneasiness, or blotting in the sensation in the abdomen. So it is helpful in case of indigestion as well as plus it is helpful in the hyperacidity. Neem Plus tablet. Actually, Neem Plus is also helpful in the skin disease, as well as we give Neem Plus. I hope many of them know that we are also having a Divosudha kit. Divosudha for diabetes. So when most of the people actually they follow the diet, they do daily exercise, or some even fail to do the daily exercise due to some physical issues. So in that case, only by the Divosudha, we are not able to reduce the sugar levels. In that case, we add Neem Plus along with the Divosudha to reduce the sugar level, as well as we give Neem Plus in case of skin diseases, because along with Neem, it consists of Khadira, Manjishta, and Bhavamagaj. Okay, then Smoothie Lax. Smoothie Lax, by the name only, you might have understood that Smoothie Lax is a stool softener. Actually, we give this in the patients of constipation and people who complain of unsatisfactory motion or hard passing the hard stools. Due to passing hard stool, many of the people do only because of passing the hard stool, they get it gets converted into the hemorrhoids or fissure. They have the complaints later on about the hemorrhoids and fissures. So to treat hemorrhoids or fissures or passing hard stool or constipation, Smoothie Lex is best tablet. Usually, I recommend these Smoothie Lex 2 tablets at the night along with the warm water. It consists of bhava, aloe vera, triphala, castor oil, agada, hirada, sonmukhi, and saindava. This is laxative as well as it softens the stool. Nari Sattva. Actually, by the name only you might have understood Nari means female. Nari Sattva means the tonic for females. So this consists of Ashoka, Indrayav, Ananta, Yograj Gugul, Shatavari, Katuki, Manjishta, Tapyodilah, Patola, Brahmi, Dharmi. Okay, by the name only you might have understood that this consists of Ashoka, means this heals the female complaints. What like dysmenorrhea. Yograj Guru helps in reducing the pain, like spasmodic pain during the menses, even back pain. Most of the females complain low backache. Most of the even females have a white discharge, leukorrhea, complaint of leukorrhea. In that case, also Nari Sattva helps very much, as it consists of Shatavari and Yograj Guguru, because most of the females who are having leukorrhea have severe low backache. So it reduces the low backache and reduces the heals the complaint of vaginal infection. Even it is helpful in PID, pelvic inflammatory diseases. Okay, and even Nari Sattva gives nutrition to the females. Okay, next is Shatavari. Shatavari, most of the people, even the one who are not doctors, even they know what is the importance of Shatavari. Shatavari is best female tonic, it is said, but I say it is a tonic for everyone. Even not only females, but everyone can have it. Even a male can have it. A small kid can have it. Even old people can also have it. We have IU Pro, but most of the old people are unable to digest the protein. They have loose motions when they intake protein. So in old people, you can give shatavari because it gives good strength to the bones and muscles. In females, it's very good for whoever is having complaints of dysmenorrhea, um, having complaint of weakness post maternity weakness, or even during pregnancy. I recommend every female during pregnancy should have shatavari. She will never feel weakness during her whole pregnancy. She will not have the complaints of anemia. Plus she will have good lactation after the birth of baby. Post maternity, she will never complain of weakness and never complain of lack of milk to her baby. Here we also have aloe vera plus. You can see next to shatavari, here's aloe vera plus. Aloe vera plus we are giving here in the form of tablets. Most of the people, because they don't like the taste of aloe vera, they refuse to have aloe vera juice. We are also having aloe vera juice. It is not in the ethical, but we are having aloe vera juice. But most of the people, they refuse to have the aloe vera juice because of its taste. So here when we have tablets, easily you can swallow it, so there is no issue of having the bad taste in the mouth. Okay, and even many of the people, they complain they are having nausea after having aloe vera juice, so they will not have that complaint even. Aloe vera, it's really a good antioxidant. It is very good source of potassium, vitamin A, C, E, K, and vitamin B complex. So definitely it will give the energy, and it will also help. It also helps in case of female, in female issues, like even it helps in dysmenorrhea and oligomenorrhea. The females who are having complaint of oligomenorrhea, it also helps in increasing the flow in oligomenorrhea. So here now we are going for Moringa Plus. Moringa Plus, we are also having, we usually have Moringa Plus tablet in our food supplement also. But actually Moringa Plus, actually Moringa is a shigru. Whoever is Ayurvedic doctor here, they know that shigru or a drumstick. It's a drumstick leaf tablet, tablet extracted from the drumstick leaf. So it help, and everyone I think here know, we all know what is the importance of drumstick. So Moringa Plus, here also it consists of haridra, amla, fenugreek, that is methi, yashti madhu, and black pepper. So it helps in, it is a good source of calcium. Many of the people actually they don't want to take only calcium, because they have many of the people, they have the complaint of recurrent renal calculi, so they refuse to have calcium. But they can have moringa, because by having moringa they will get their bones will be strength, having good strength. Their bones will not get weak. They will have good strength to the bones and muscles, but they will not have the complaints of renal calculi. Okay. Next, we have here giloy and garlic on this page. So giloy, everyone, you know giloy, it is guduji, or we also called it as amruta. Because it is called as amruta because definitely it works like amruta or as a nectar. So giloy is very good source of, actually we called it as antipyretic in Ayurveda. Antipyretic means it cures any type of fever, any kind of fever, like malarial fever or dengue fever, or any kind of typhoid fever, any enteric fever, any kind of fever. It is very good to heal any kind of fever. When we where many of the doctors or even people, everyone in their house, definitely they have a paracetamol at their house. Any kind of paracetamol. You have crocin, you have dolo. Name is different, but medicine is one. So everyone actually have paracetamol at their home. Instead of keeping paracetamol, you can keep giloy. Whenever anyone is having headache, fever, you can first give giloy. If the fever is high grade fever, you can recommend 2 tablets of giloy thrice a day. If there is mild fever, mild headache, you can give 1 tablet thrice a day. It is very, very, very helpful in case of fever. Instead of taking antipyretic like paracetamol, where the paracetamol tablet itself, it is written on the backside. Every company of paracetamol writes at the backside that it is high dose of paracetamol leads to liver damage. In that case, still we are taking paracetamol very easily. When we are knowing that it damages the liver, still we take. Instead of that, we can take giloy. Next here is garlic. Garlic, actually, most of the people, even the layman, knows that garlic is good source where it reduces the cholesterol level in the blood. Okay, so you can understand how helpful the garlic is. So it reduces the cholesterol level. So it is helpful in hyperlipidemia. It is helpful in cardiac patients. In case even cerebral infarct, it is very helpful. Like in MCA, or in fact, it is very helpful in paralytic patients. In simple language, if I stroke, in case of stroke paralytic patients, it is very helpful. You can even recommend it in hypertension patients. So amla, if there are Ayurvedic doctors, they know amla is the best source and rich source of vitamin C. It is not only the rich source of vitamin C, plus it is said, actually in Ayurveda granthas, it is said that whoever in olden age, or in 5,000 years back, the one who stays in the jungle for a year and has only cow milk for a year, and goes in a amla forest and has as much as amla he can, he lives that long years, and he lives a young, he remains young throughout his life, and he lives that much life. How much amlas he is able to eat at once. So you can understand amla is a nectar. Okay, so amla, actually, we don't know that much importance of amla, but amla is actually a nectar. It is not only anti-inflammatory. Here, the importance, actually page is small, so we have given very less importance over about amla. But amla is actually very good in case of hyperacidity. It is anti-inflammatory. It also helps in the constipation. Amla is one of the triphala. Actually, triphala is amla, haritaki, and vibhitaki. So amla is one of the triphala. So everyone, actually even layman, knows the triphala is used for constipation. So you can understand amla is so helpful even in constipation, as well as it is helpful in hyperacidity. Plus it is anti-inflammatory. It is very good product for the digestion. Even it improves the vitamin C in our body. Sorry, we actually skipped curcuma plus. Curcuma is curcuma longa or haridra, haldi, turmeric. Okay, it's a turmeric. Actually, from the childhood, everyone knows that turmeric is used to heal the wounds. It stops the bleeding. So whenever we were kids, I think first even our mothers knew that whenever we get hurt, she used to bring turmeric and she used to fix the turmeric to our wounds. Okay, she used to, everyone's mother used to give the turmeric milk. Have a turmeric milk, your wound will get healed. If you are having any swelling, that turmeric will heal it. So everyone knows what is the importance of turmeric. Here, curcuma plus is turmeric. Okay, so haridra, everyone knows what is its importance. So I don't think I should elaborate much more. But this only one thing I have to tell here. Here, curcuma plus, along with turmeric, it also contains black pepper. So it is also a good antioxidant, as well as it helps in digestion also.
Yes.
Stamex consists of ashwagandha, gokshura, shilajit. Actually, everyone knows that ashwagandha and shilajit are very good medicines for infertility. Even it is very good, what do you say, helpful in not only male infertility. Actually, ashwagandha helps also in the female infertility, but shilajit is usually said, it is very helpful in dysfunctional ejaculation, whoever is having complaint of erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation. It is very helpful. Shilajit helps to overcome all this, and it is very helpful in improving or increasing the sperm count and improving the motility of the sperms. Okay, it also consists of musli, amla, shatavari, kapikacchu, telimkhana. Okay, everyone actually knows about Shilajit. So we'll discuss about Stamex. I have explained you what exactly Stamex does. It also actually most of the people, because what is my experience I want to share with you. Actually, whenever I have patients of infertility or infertility, actually both the husband wife's reports are, most of the patients reports are normal. But here, because in Pune, we are having most of the infertility cases from corporates. Okay, so both husband and wife are working, having too much stress, and due to that stress, they are not able to conceive. It's not due to any issues. Actually, sperm count is good, motility is good, even the females, all hormones are good. Still, they are unable to conceive because both of them are having lack of desire to have an intercourse. So even Stamex help improves the desire to have an intercourse. Stamex plus, actually Stamex plus tablet, it is said to be given in the 40 plus, in the people of 40 plus, but I don't say it as like that. We can give where the people complain much more complaints like erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation or excessive ejaculation. Some of the people are having nocturnal ejaculation complaints also. In that case also, Stamex Plus helps very much because it consists of again same ashwagandha, kapikachu, tamilthana, but here in additional there is Chandraprabhavati because most of the people they are having also complaint of nocturnal ejaculation. In that case, Chandraprabhavati will help much more. Uh, they will overcome those complaints and they will feel healthy because of nocturnal ejaculation. People are having extreme weakness, so they can overcome the weakness by Stamex Plus. Next, we have Orthorich. Orthorich also we have tablet and oil, both forms. So tablet here, by the name of Orthorich only, you have might have understood that ortho means bone related or joint related issues. So this helps in overcoming the bone related and joint related complaints like bone pain or joint pain, any kind of joint pain. Like there are last time actually I had conducted the session of on ortho care kit. I don't know if there is my session is on YouTube. You can go through my session. I've conducted a session on ortho care kit. There I've explained what are all the ortho issues I have explained there. Like Sandhivata, that is osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, what is the difference between that, and then gout which is due to excess high uric acid level in the body. So I've explained everything in that. You can go through my session. You'll understand most of the things. So ortho rich tablet you can recommend to any of the ortho related issues. This consists of Haridra, Tagara, Sooth Shekar, Daru Haridra, Nag Keshar, Kaishar Gugul, Manjishta, Rasna, and Chandan. Now ortho rich oil. Actually, this is in the roller form. You can see the picture. At your right corner, you can see the picture. It is a roller. Actually, what happens if we had actually body massage oil, but most of the people they have complained that don't have anyone for massaging. The body parts which we can usually massage, we can massage, but in the back we can't massage ourselves. So we are not getting the good results because we are unable to massage our back and low back area where we are having severe pain. Like in case of lumbar spondylosis, cervical spondylosis, in that case, people are having complaint that they are unable to apply the oil or massage the oil. So in that case, we have our company have launched Orthorich oil where you can only roll on. Whichever area is painful, you can roll on. Even it won't take much more time like massage. You can easily roll on while sleeping or even before having the bath. You can roll on and you can have a bath with lukewarm water so that you will even get the Snehan Svedani effect. That is, you will have oiling and also steam, or even you can apply hot water bag whenever you have a massage or you apply this orthorich oil so that you can give hot fermentation to that part which is painful. Okay. So relax cream. Actually, so relax cream by the name you have understood that it is used in case of psoriasis. But actually, by my experience, I am actually recommending to even in the fungal infection cases, even in case of eczema, and we are really getting good results with Sorelax. Even in case of psoriasis, we have really got very good results. People are healing from the psoriasis. Their scaly skins where they are having a very itchy scaly skins where the white powder like thing is falling down has been reduced and their itching complaint has been reduced. So this Sorelax actually consists of neem oil, rose oil, methyl paraben, karanj oil, kapoor oil, mahamarichadi oil, and tankan bhasma, due to which it definitely heals the itching issues, the redness, burning complaints, and actually due to excessive itching, most of the people they complain excessive burning in that place, even hyperkeratinization in case of psoriasis. So this reduces all these things and gives healing effect. We have two types of syrup, cough syrups here, Quefalex D and Quefalex W. Quefalex D is like for dry cough, and Quefalex W is for cough with expectorant. So this Quefalex D actually consists of Haridra, Triphala, Tvaka, Bhumyamlaki, Madhu, Tulsi, Apamarga, Ringani, Punarnava, Jeshtamad, Draksha, Pipali, and Haritaki, which reduces the dry cough, throat irritation. Even it reduces the pains in the flanks while coughing, pain in abdomen while coughing. Okay. Next is Quefalex W. Quefalex W mostly in case of LRTI where there is cough with expectoration, or most of the people they are having excessive pain in the flanks and very much stickiness feeling in the throat. So it reduces, even in case of asthma and COPD, you can recommend Quefalex W. Next is Arogyavardhini Vati. Actually, Arogyavardhini Vati is a formulation from Samhita. Actually, this is from Rasa Yogasara. So, Rasa Yogasagar has recommended Arogyavardhini Vati. Actually, Arogyavardhini, the name itself tells the one which improves your health is called as Arogyavardhini. So it consists of Kajjali, Tamra Bhasma, Amlaki, Chitraka, Loha Bhasma, Haritaki, Shilajata, Katuka, Abrak Bhasma, Vibhitaki, Shuddha Gugul, and Nimbapatra. So all this improves your immune system. This helps to fight with the, it actually releases some antibodies and it helps to fight with bacteria or infection attacking to your body. So this actually helps also to balance the Vata Pitta Kapha dosha. It also reduces the Pitta Vikar in your body. Any conditions of liver disease or impaired LFTs also it reduces. So it is very helpful in any kind of abdominal disorders also. Next is Amrutadi Gugulu. This has been recommended by Bhaishaja Ratnavali. Amrutadi Gugulu. It's actually helpful in case of joint and bone pain. It reduces the joint and bone pain, and it actually it balances the Vata dosha. It reduces. It is said to be a Vatagna dravya. It reduces the Vat. It reduces the pain in gout, where there is the swelling in the joints due to increased uric acid. It helps to reduce that swelling and it reduces the pain also. Avipattikar Churnavati. While explaining about Pito Sudha only, I explained you about Avipattikar Churnavati. It is the formulation told by the Yog Ratnakar. So Yog Ratnakar has told Avipattikar Churnavati as anti-hyperacidity. It is very effective in hyperacidity, in belching. The people who are complaining of over burping, soreness or bitterness in the mouth, it reduces the taste and it helps you to have improve your, actually who are complaining of loss of appetite, it also helps to improve your appetite. Kamdudavati actually it reduces the body heat. Whoever is complaining of that excessive heat or feeling over warmth in their body, it helps to reduce that heat or warmth in the body. It consists of Pravada, Kapardika, Swarnagairika, Moktika, Shankavasma, and Guduchi Sattva. It all these are Shita Dravya, Shita Vira Dravya. So it reduces the heat in the body. Like due to excessive heat, most of the people complain of mouth ulcers, hyperacidity, or even gastritis. It reduces all these complaints and even diarrhea also, which leads to dehydration. So it reduces all these complaints and keeps you hydrated. Vatagajankushirasa. By the name only, you might have understood Vatagajankushirasa means it reduces or it stabilizes the Vata dosha in our body. Okay, it is very helpful in case of neuropathic conditions where the people complained excess numbness or tingling numbness in the lower limb or any part of the body, or even in the Parkinson also it is helpful to some extent. because we can completely cure Parkinson, but to some extent we can reduce the progress of Parkinson. Even it is helpful in diabetic neuropathy, where the people complained of numbness and numbness in the lower limb, and even soles. They can't feel that they are walking on the land. They feel like they are walking on the sponge. So these symptoms can be reduced by Vata Gajankusha Rasa. Lakshmi Vilas Rasa. Lakshmi Vilas Rasa is the formulation told by the Bhaishya Ratnavali again, and it consists of Jati Kosha, Abrak Bhasma, Jati Phala, Kajjali, Karpura, Bala, Nagbala Shatavari, Vidari, Krishna Dattura, Hijara, Gokshura, Vriddadaru, and Nagavalli Swarasa. Actually, it is very useful in case of URT and LRT, means upper respiratory tract infection as well as lower respiratory tract infection, where the people complained of excessive cough, cough with expectoration, unable to breathe, having very much tightness in the chest, having difficulty in breathing, having wheezing sound. Like in asthma, people have wheezing sound in the feel. They can hear, even the people person beside him also can hear their wheezing sound from the coming from the chest or throat. So in that case also, it is Lakshmi Vilas Rasa is very helpful. In case of COPD, it is very helpful. Next, we'll go to Suchekar Rasa. Suchekar Rasa is the formation told by Yog Ratnakar. It consists of Twak, Bilva Magash, Karchura, Maricha, Tamravasma, Kanaka, Pipali, Ela, Nagapushpa, Twak, Kajali, Shankavasma, Tankana, Shunti, and Shuddha Vatsanam. All this will help in actually this helps to improve our immunity system. It is an immune booster, as well as it is very helpful in case of fever, body pain. It is also helpful in case of indigestion, gastritis, and peptic ulcer, headache, migraine. Usually, like complaints related to the digestion, again it is helpful. Suchekar is helpful there. Migraine, people usually complain that they are having migraine, but actually migraine is due to hyperacidity. If hyperacidity gets cured, then migraine will get cured. So we have to first work on the hyperacidity. So in case of hyperacidity, along with Avipattikar Churnavati, Pito Sudha, we can recommend Suchekar Rasa also. Yograj Gugulu. This is the formulation told by Bharat Bhaishya Ratnakar. It consists of many of the herbs like Vibhita. Actually, it consists of Trifala, Gokshura, Sukshma Ela, Mustaka, Tvaka, Shuntamarich. Actually, it consists of Trikatu as well. Ushira, Yava, Talispatra, Dhanyaka, Devdaru, Chaya, Saindav Rasna, Pippali, Chitraka, Krishna Jiraka, Yamani, Jiraka, Patra, Ajmoda, Gugu as well, and Vidanga. So it also helps. You can see all these are Vatagna Dravyas. So Vatagna Dravyas mean definitely it reduces the Vata in the body. Actually, what does Vata do in the body? I'm saying, telling you since long time it is Vatagna, Vatagna, Vatagna. Actually, Vata leads to excessive pain in the body, most probably in the joints. So Vatagna means this reduces the pain in the body. Yogaraj Guru reduces the pain in the joints or in the muscular pain. It also reduces the muscular pain. So in case of joint pain, any of the bone pain, like muscular pain, you can recommend Yogaraj Guru. Punarnava Gugulu. This is the formulation told by Bhaishya Ratnavali. This also consists of Trifala and Trikatu. Along with that, it consists of Amruta, Sindhudatta, Gugulu, Danti, Erandataila as well. So it is very helpful to reduce the actually spasmodic pain in the abdomen or kidney related pains or kidney related complaints. It is also helpful. Actually, Punarnava is said to be diuretic. So and anyone complaining regarding prostate pain in abdomen, lower abdomen, especially in the old males who are having enlarged prostate or benign prostate, BPH, like benign hyperplasia of prostate. So in that case also, this is very helpful. It is very helpful in kidney and liver disorders. So pain related to abdomen or kidney or prostate, Punarnava Gugulu, you can recommend over there. So thank you so much. If you have any doubts, you can ask me the question.